How to get low ping in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to get low ping in Roblox, then you can follow any of the solutions that I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, let's check your ping on Roblox. For that, you want to click on the search bar and then search for command prompt. Once it has been opened, you want to type ping space roblox.com and press enter. And from here, you will be able to find your ping for Roblox. Now that you have figured out your ping, let's jump into the solutions for getting a low ping. Step 1 is to go to your settings and click on network and internet. Then click on VPN. Now from here, you want to disable any VPN if you have enabled it. Now for the next step, you want to open up the settings again, and this time you want to click on the option of update and security. Then click on troubleshoot. Now click on additional troubleshooting. And from here, you want to select internet connection. And now click on run the troubleshooter. If there are any issue over here, then it's going to be detected and resolved right here. Now for the next method, you want to search command prompt and then run this as administrator. Here you want to clear the DNS cache and reset WinSock. For that, you want to type ipconfig/flushdns. Then press enter, and once you do that, the DNS cache will be cleared. And now for the next step, you want to type nesh WinSock reset and then press enter. After this, you will have to restart your PC. Now for the next method, you want to search for run and then type ncpa.cpl. Then on your current network connection, you want to right click and then click on the properties option. Now double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now select use the following DNS server addresses, and for the preferred DNS server you want to type 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate you want to type 8.8.4.4. And once you do that, click on the OK button. Now for the next method, you want to make sure that other applications are not using the network and hogging bandwidth. That includes downloads and uploads. So for that, you want to search for network monitor, and over here you want to click on network. Once you click on it, you're going to find different applications in the background which might be using your network. So you simply want to end the process if any one of these are not important. Now you can try these solutions and see if this lowers your ping. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.